Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever had a week where nothing worked? Every trade failed and you started doubting yourself completely? Most traders quit during this phase. Today I'll show you how professionals survive it and come back stronger. Hi everyone, welcome back to WednesdayMoves. This is episode 22 of our complete trading education series. No matter how skilled you become, losing streaks are part of trading. What separates amateurs from professionals is not avoiding losses, but handling them correctly. Losing streaks are not personal failures, they are natural statistical phases that appear in every trading system. Even profitable strategies experience periods of underperformance. Understanding this protects your confidence. Now, why most traders collapse after losses? After multiple losses, many traders become emotional. They overtrade, change systems, increase risk, and try to win back money quickly. And this behavior destroys accounts. Separating process from results. A single trade does not define skill. You can follow rules perfectly and still lose. You can break rules and still win sometimes. Professionals judge themselves by discipline and not outcomes. Immediate damage control. Well, when losses start piling up, your first job is protection. Reduce position size, pause aggressive trading, and review recent mistakes calmly. Survival comes first. Analyzing the drawdown. Every losing streak contains information. Was the market different? Did you break rules? Was volatility abnormal? Honest analysis leads to improvement. Mental reset techniques. Sometimes the best trade is not trading. Taking short breaks, reviewing routines, and resetting mentally restores clarity. Rebuilding confidence safely. After losses, professionals rebuild slowly. Smaller positions, stricter rules, and fewer trades. Confidence must be earned back. System validation check. Now, during bad periods, revisit your backtests and statistics. This reminds you that your system still works over time. Avoiding revenge trading. Revenge trading feels logical emotionally, but it is destructive financially. Checklists and accountability protect you from this trap. Well, successful traders develop emotional resilience. They expect setbacks, they plan for them, and they remain calm during them. When to step back completely? Like sometimes losses are combined with burnout. In such cases, stepping away temporarily is a professional decision and not a weakness. Using losses as data, losing sticks highlight weaknesses. They show where rules are weak or discipline needs improvement. Every loss can teach. Case study framework. Professionals document losing periods carefully. They record causes, reactions, and corrections. This transforms pain into progress. Here's a key message: losses are not your enemy, emotional reactions are. Every successful trader has survived multiple losing streaks. The difference is they never let losses destroy their discipline. If you are serious about becoming resilient, subscribe and continue learning with me. We are building long term traders here step by step. See you in the next episode of Wednesday Moves.